In today's class, we will explore problem-solving methods and search strategies comprising four general steps. Problem solving aims to attain predefined goals or solutions with the agent responsible for achieving this known as the problem solving agent. This agent devises a sequence of actions to solve the problem, executing them one at a time until the goal is reached. Once it achieved, the agent transitions to another task. The process involves goal formulation, problem formulation, search, and execution. The goal formulation the focus is on how intelligent agents maximize their performance in achieving a specific goal. The goal serves to organize the agent's behavior by providing a clear objective to work toward, that by guiding its actions and decisions. By aiming to satisfy the goal, the agent effectively limits its objectives and directs its efforts towards achieving the desired outcome. In problem formulation, the agent determines which actions and states to consider in pursuit of a given goal. This involves deciding how to act both in the present and future to progress towards the goal. Before it can effectively plan its actions, the agent must first establish the types of actions and states it should take into account. This process sets the foundation for the agent's decision making and strategy development in reaching the goal stage. Then, next, search for a solution. The agent seeks a sequence of actions that will lead to achieving the goal. This process is referred to as searching, where the agent explores various possibilities to find the most effective path forward. A search algorithm is employed, taking the problem as input and generating a solution in the form of an action sequence. Through this systematic exploration, the agent aims to identify the sequence of actions that will ultimately lead to reaching the desired goal. Finally, the execution. Following the solution discovery, execution involves implementing the recommended actions to solve the problem. This phase, known as execution, marks the practical application of the solution. Upon completing the execution, the agent proceeds to formulate a new goal, signaling the transition to the next task or objective. In problem formulation, five key components define the process formally. First is initial state, action, transition model, goal test, pathcast. In this initial state, this process, the starting point from which the agent begins its task. It represents the state of the system at the beginning of the problem solving process. Actions are the possible moves or directions available to the agent at any given state. During problem formulation, all potential actions for each state must be specified. Transition model describes the effect of each action on the current state. It outlines how applying an action in a given state leads to a new state. The goal test determines whether a given state satisfies the conditions of the goal. It checks if the agent has reached the desired outcome or goal state. The pathcast means refers to the cumulative cost of traversing from the initial state to the goal